All right, I'm back with David Azizi from the law offices of David Azizi, and we have been discussing some of the cases in which David has been a part of, and we're going to continue that discussion. And this is going to be a discussion about an automobile seat back that there was a failure involved, and it actually caused some major injuries. So, explain that situation, David.
Yeah, fortunately, I think the car companies have kind of gotten smart. So this was more of an older case. Nowadays, I think, thankfully, they make their seats safer. But this particular case involved a claim against Ford, where our client was seated in an upright position and was rear-ended by another vehicle at about approximately 40 miles per hour. And as he got hit, the seat back of his vehicle just literally collapsed. And then because you're getting hit from behind, your body usually gets thrust backwards. So his neck ended up going into the back seat and it snapped. And he ended up becoming a quadriplegic as a result of this accident. And I don't know if you remember the Pinto cases back in the days when some of the younger crowd won't remember this, but Pintos were getting rear-ended and they were exploding and catching on fire. Well, Ford started testing out these vehicles to determine what was causing the explosion, and in the same process they realized, hey, wait a minute, the seat backs are also collapsing when these things are getting rear-ended. But not to get too technical, it turned out that the particular parts that they put for the seat backs, they're not very stringent, they're not very tough. It cost them a couple of dollars to have the better brand or better restraint system, but for them, you know, car companies, a dollar or two when you're mass producing makes a huge difference. So for them, it's a profit issue. So this case, unfortunately, in the interest of profit, Ford had decided that they'll make their seat back a lot less stringent, and as a result, our client sustained the severe injuries that he did. And luckily, we were able to get him the compensation he deserves.
And that is some great information, David. And as anyone watching these videos knows, there will be a number in the video to contact the law offices of David Azizi, or there will be a number below. So if you have any questions or concerns, or if you happen to have been in an automobile accident with an older vehicle, or there's been a personal injury, please feel free to reach out to the law offices of David Azizi. They'll be more than willing to help. And thank you for your time, David.
Thank you.